All right, guys, so in this video, we're going to be breaking down the math of what it actually takes to hit $50,000 a month inside of your contracting business. Because without these 4 key principles, you will never hit that target and you would never accomplish that goal. We have to see it visually and mathematically has to make sense. Now, let's start with your average ticket job size, right? And the 4 key principles are: what is your average ticket job size? How many leads do we need per week? How many leads are we closing per week? And essentially, how much do we need to make per week to accomplish $50,000 at the end of the month? Let's start with the average ticket job size. Now, to make it simple math, let's say that it's $5,000. And how you essentially find out your average ticket job size: at the end of the month, figure out what was your revenue and how many jobs did you do, and then divide the revenue by as many jobs as you did, and essentially that will give you your average ticket job size. So for example, if you finish the month at $40,000 in revenue and you did 10 jobs in that month, that equals to an average of $4,000 per job, right? But for the sake of this video, to make everything super simple, let's say that is $5,000 your average ticket job size. Now, we have to break down $50,000 a month and divide it into 4 weeks, which equals to $12,500. Now, with that simple math, we know that we need to accomplish at least 2.5 jobs at 5,000, right? Like we need to accomplish either a $10,000 job and then another job for 2,500, or we need to do 2 jobs for 5,000 and 1 for 2,500, or we need to do 5 jobs for 2,500, etc. You get the point. So now, how many leads do we need? For the sake of this video, let's say that you have a 50% closing rate. And we're also going to break down how can you increase your average ticket job size, or how can you make more money without getting more leads, or if your closing rate sucks, then we need to increase the leads. But for the sake of this video, let's say that you're getting 6 leads per week or 24 per month. Cool, simple math. So 6 leads per week, let's highlight that, or 24 per month. All right, cool. Now, let's say that you have a 50% closing rate. If you don't have a 50% closing rate, then we have an issue. There will be a link in the description of this video. Book a one-on-one call with me, because if you're not closing at least 5 out of 10 estimates, which is on the lower end, I close 8 or 9 out of 10 inside of my business. I understand, I've been doing this for a while. I have really good content, etc. But essentially, you should be closing at least 5 out of 10. If not, we have a serious problem, and we can talk about that later. Now, let's say that you're closing 3 leads per week or 12 leads per month. Easy math, right? Just so that way we know what's tangible, what we can accomplish, and what we cannot. Now, these leads that we're currently closing, they have to be an average ticket job size of $5,000. So 2 leads at $5,000, which equals $10,000, and another lead for $2,500. And that gives you your $12,500 per week. This is essentially what we have to sell every single week to be able to make that $50,000 per month. The math is math, right? Like there's nothing else that we need to do here. Now, there's a couple of ways that we can either increase, how much we get, and essentially work less for more. So there's a couple of factors here. So if you're not closing at 50%, then that means that you're going to have to increase this number. You're going to have to get more leads. So for example, if you're closing at 25%, that means that instead of 6, you're going to need at least 9 leads per week. Now, if we get better at sales and we close more than 50%, let's say that you're closing 75%, essentially instead of 6 leads per week, we can just get away with 4, because you will be closing 3 out of those 4s, equaling 3 leads per week. So there's only 2 things that we can change, or actually 3. Either we increase our average ticket job size. Instead of 5,000, we bring it up to 6,500. And instead of 3 jobs, we can just get away with 2. Or you can bring it up to 12,500 per job on average ticket job size, and essentially just need 1 job per week to essentially hit $50,000 a month. That's one option. Second option is we spend more on ads. We get more leads coming in every single week, and our sales stays the same. So either at 25% or at 50%, we just get more volume, more leads to sell to, and then essentially we're still going to hit the end goal. Or number 3, which is technically the easiest one, you just get better at sales. You don't have to invest more money into marketing. You don't have to put more content out there. You don't have to give more quotes. Essentially, you just get better at sales. And instead of closing at 50%, again, you're closing at 75. And instead of having to go out and bid 6 jobs every single week, just go out, bid 4, close 3, hit your revenue goal of $12,500 per week, and then your average job of $50,000 at the end of the month. Bro, the math is super, super simple. We don't have to complicate it. This is essentially all you have to look at. Break down on a piece of paper. What do I need to do every single day, every single month to accomplish this goal? And then we can talk about $100,000 a month, which is essentially doubling that. So I hope this video makes sense, because if we're not seeing it tangible, if we cannot see how to accomplish it, we will never accomplish it. It's like if you go to Hawaii without a destination, without a map, you're never going to get there, right? Like if you want to drive to Miami and you're in Louisiana, you need a road map. You need the GPS to guide you on how to get there. But if you're just guessing, number one, you're going to waste a bunch of time, a bunch of money, right? In gas, in rerouting, in trying to figure out where you're headed. And number two, is going to take you way, way, way too long. And you're probably never going to get there. All right. So hopefully this video makes sense. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Again, there will be a link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment as well. Book a one-on-one call with me if you want to scale your business past $50,000 a month, even $100,000 a month. So we have a super cool program that's already breaking down everything for you, like the $100,000 a month operator framework, the multi-channel lead machine. Like there's everything here, from the meta and Andromeda paid ads, creatives, retargeting ads, organic content. And then we talk about sales as well, like how to sell face-to-face, how to overcome objections, how to pitch your price in person, and then close the agreement or sign the agreement, collect the deposit, and go home with somebody on the books. I had one of my clients that for the first time, he closed face-to-face, and he closed a $4,000 painting project. Face-to-face, deposit on hand. He was super, super excited. So anyways, there'll be a link in the description. Like this video, subscribe if you're new, and share this with another contractor that might need the help.